Hey guys, this is Kel and I'm back to do another video for you guys. Hey, so the wig I have up for you next, that was aggressive, is Outre's Perfect Hairline Jaylani, and I have her to number 2. Now, Jaylani, of course I'm gonna put the picture somewhere around here. Jaylani is a little bit different this time, you know what I mean? Because it says that Jaylani has a fake scalp. So it says that perfect hairline, fully hand-tied 13x6, which is good, lace wig, faux scalp, and transparent HD lace. No plucking required. Baby hairs are included. Now this is Jaylani. She's a straight head, which that's pretty. I like how she feels. She has a rougher texture to her. Like, she's silky, but she's not really, you know what I mean? I don't know. She has a rougher texture to her, like actual black hair, but not yucky. I don't know if I'm explaining that right, but that's all I got. I can't really explain it no better. So here's her insides. Now this is the fake scalp. I don't know how I feel about that because there's going to be a line of demarcation. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see. There's a line there. That means there's going to be line of demarcation. So I don't know. I feel like my hands are ashy, y'all. I'm so sorry. I'm sorry. I gotta take a quick break to moisturize my hands because y'all ain't about to be talking about me crazy with ashy fingers. Let me get all in the nooks and crannies. The nooks and crannies. That I've been watching people's videos. I've been like, her hands is so ashy, but that wig look beautiful. And I don't want to be that girl. So anyways, thank you for bearing with me. But yeah, I don't know how I feel about that. I might end up cutting that out. Because you can. So there's a little space in between the actual lace and this looks, it's like double laced. That's what it looks like. It looks like it's double laced. Okay. And of course it comes with the adjustable straps for the P-head girls. We have 2 combs right here. Then we have a comb in the back with the adjustable straps. So I'm gonna figure out this fake scalp situation. Scalp. I still can't speak. I don't know what's going on while I'm so tongue-tied. Like, it doesn't look bad. Like, I don't know. Okay, focus. There we go. It doesn't look bad. But I don't, you see the line of demarcation? I don't like that. At all. I don't like that. So I'm probably gonna cut that out, y'all. But okay, let me go ahead and put on the mannequin head and do all the fixings, and I'll be right back.
Why you hitting me when you know better? Know you new. Got me looking for ya. I be looking for ya. Got me looking forward to weekend. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure, baby. Sure. We do whatever we want. Love whatever we want. Love whatever we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want. Give whatever I want. Give whatever I need. It's about love, 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 love. Long as we got love, love, love. Long as we got navigate my number.
Okay, hey you guys, I am back with Jaylani on, but let me start off by saying thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sending me this wig. I really do appreciate you guys for aiding in my wig addiction. I say it all the time because I really do appreciate you. Now to the wig. This is Outre Perfect Hairline fully hand tied 13 by 8 by 6 lace wig, Jaylani, and she comes with a faux scalp. Now let's talk about this faux scalp. I think you should cut it out, because I did. Go ahead and cut it out. In the beginning I was saying that this looks like it's going to have a line of demarcation, and it most definitely do. So you do need to cut that out. Be careful when you're cutting it out. You don't want to cut the actual lace of the wig, but you most definitely need to cut it out. Now I'm going to show you. I left a little bit on there just to show you guys. Now this is where I left it on, and as you guys can see, there is a line of demarcation. I did not glue this wig all the way down because I'm doing a protective style right after this, so don't judge me. Shut up, girl. Like Wigs and Wonderlands always tell people to shut up. I'll be like, all right, girl. I'll shut up. But this is it. You can clearly see that line of demarcation here, and that is where the faux scalp is. So I recommend that you go ahead and cut her on out, all the way out. Ain't nobody got time for you to be telling all my secrets. I'm already telling my own secrets because this wig ain't glued all the way down, but I gave y'all a warning so y'all know that she ain't glued all the way down. But she's a straight style. That means she's easy. I want to say she's probably in between 18 to 20 inches. Is she shedding? Yes, but not a lot to be concerned. Is she tangling? She's 20 inches, so she's going to tangle. Of course, she's rubbing up against you. You're walking around. She's going to tangle. So if she tangles, just be aware of that because she's a longer wig. But she's super cute. Nice. Look at the luster on her. I really do like the luster. Super duper pretty. And so yeah, I like this a lot. I have no issues with this one at all. They did a really good job plucking this wig. Like most of the time they say no plucking required and you still gotta pluck, like seriously. But this one you don't. I did not do anything to it. Of course you're gonna have to really use your foundation to blend it because you can still see the knots in places. So definitely do that. I use my foundation to cover the lace with the Juvia's Place I Am Magic in color 230 in Malawi. That is my color. And of course, in the parts, I use my Maybelline Fit Me powder and 360 Mocha. So yeah, but she is super duper pretty. Super duper pretty. So I'm gonna try to, switch up the parts for you guys so you can see all the versatility it has. If you see the lace lifting, I already told y'all that I ain't glue this lace all the way down. Because ain't nobody got time to be gluing it all the way down, knowing I'm about to take it off like in a minute. So, let me go ahead and put her in the middle. In the middle. Okay. In the middle. Okay, this is her in the middle. This is her in the middle. And then this is her on the right hand side. On the right hand side, which Y'all know I'm a lefty. I'm a lefty. I like my parts on the left. But this one is cute on both sides. I don't really have an issue with that. So either way you wear her, she's going to be cute. Either way you wear her. So this is her on the right hand side. Boom. If you wanted to put her in a half up, half down style, you can. You most definitely can, because she looks really, really good in the front as long as you blend really good so you won't see the knots like you do here. But that's an easy fix. You just take your foundation, put a little bit on your hand. You don't really need a lot. Take a foundation brush or a contour brush. This is a contour brush. And there you go. Not as many knots anymore. But make sure you blend it out so it doesn't look like you just got like a whole bunch of foundation in one spot. So just make sure you blend it really well, and you can pretty much get rid of the knots, the knotted look a little bit. It's not going to be guaranteed. This is a synthetic wig, so you can only really get rid of the knots if it was a human hair wig and you can bleach them, okay? But this is as good as we can get in a synthetic unit. But you can work it out if you would like. But here we go. You can definitely do a half up, half down style. Just make sure that you hide your knots as best you can so it looks natural. But besides that, and of course, go into all the spaces and put your foundation there, because that faux scalp is real white. As y'all can see, it's real ashy, giving me ash. So go ahead and just be mindful of that. But besides that, Jaylani popping. So hopefully I gave you guys a thorough breakdown. And again, thank you, Sam's Beauty. Thank you, Sam's Beauty. Thank you, Sam's Beauty, for sending me this wig. I really did enjoy this one. I really did enjoy this one. So if you like this wig, if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you want to tell me something, or you want to tell me how you don't like the wig, go ahead and put it in the comment section. Go ahead and share my video with all your wig loving friends, and of course subscribe to my channel, because I would greatly appreciate you being here. Hopefully y'all see that lace list, and if you do, oh well, I already gave you the disclaimer. But anywho, yeah, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you part of my family, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.
Yeah.